Guys, welcome to the vlog. If you are new around here, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Sarah and I'm so glad that you're here. Today is exciting because it is Kelsea Ballerini concert day, which I'm sure you can tell from the title of this video. But I am in a random Starbucks parking lot in Fairfield, but the concert is a couple hour drive, like 1.5 hours from my apartment. It's at Golden One Center in Sacramento. And I had to take a work meeting, and so I'm like 45 minutes away from the venue. It's 6 right now. I still need to change, and then the doors open at 7, so I should be there pretty much like right at doors opening. I'm guessing probably a couple minutes after that because I'm gonna have to like find parking and then get changed and walk over. But if you just want to skip to like actual concert footage, you can go ahead and skip to this timestamp in the video. But if you're just along for the ride, then welcome to the vlog. I love concert vlogs. I just like love live music so much, and so they're really fun to like do. I have been to a Kelsea Ballerini concert before last year when she was at the Fillmore maybe in Oakland, but I got a bunch of really fun photos and videos, and I think that I vlogged that concert. I'll link it here and in the description if I did. I'm almost 99%. I'm actually 100% sure I vlogged that day. So right now I have, like I said, like a 47-minute drive. I did stop before my meeting and get Chick-fil-A, and I ate my fries before because I was so hungry, but I didn't have time to eat my sandwich. I just got the spicy deluxe sandwich with no tomato. This is quite the intro of this video. If you've never seen a video of mine before, what a one to start on. But basically, if you are new around here, then my name is Sarah. I travel a lot. I do a lot of concert videos. I do a lot of like home vlogs. I work from home, so I do stuff about that. I live in the Bay Area in California. It's like a girl's girl in her, you know, late 20s, almost 30s, which is crazy to say, but I just believe in like living life, you know, and I just have a visual diary, hence the vlog, that I take around with me and show you guys my life a little bit and just like have little girl chats and all the things. But if that sounds like something you want to stick around for, I'd love to have you join the fam. And I really like my outfit for tonight. It's like slightly out of my comfort zone, which is good to, you know, spice it up. And honestly, it's not even that crazy of an outfit, so like don't be expecting anything too crazy. But I'm gonna try and get a good clip to show you guys my outfit, because I'm doing like black boots, a black like kind of flowy skirt with like this top and a black denim jacket. It feels very like Kelsea coded, so love that for me. If you guys are coming along with me, I am going to this concert by myself. I do have pretty good seats. Let me pull up my Ticketmaster real quick, and also I'm gonna shut the fuck up soon. But section 114, I'm in the lower level, row U, seat 1, so hopefully it is good seats. But I've never been to this venue before, so we'll see. I'm super unfamiliar. I think it's where the Sacramento Kings play basketball, but let's go, let's get there, let's get a move on. Okay guys, I am here and I'm in the parking lot right now, just putting my jacket on. You can't really see my outfit. Let's see if I can do this a little better. A little bit. 7:30, we gotta go. Okay, so we have like a 5-minute walk to the venue, so we are going to get over there real quick. I need to see which, I think this is the way that I need to go. Let's see if we can get out for this. Let's go see Kelsea. So, plot twist, I just walked all the way back to the car because they don't allow this camera in because it has a detachable lens. And so I just like sprinted back to the car to put it in, and then I'm going to run back to the venue, and it is 8 p.m. or 7:50 on the dot, and Kelsea comes on in 10 minutes, so I'll record on my phone. Sorry guys, love you, bye.
throwing things. Unless it's your hands in the air or your booty back. Let's keep objects out of the air.
Sacramento on a school night. Let's go! It's Giving Friday. I'm so here for it. I can't remember the last time I played Sacramento proper, but I've gotten to play around this area a lot. And the last time was Oakland, like 2 years ago. On the Heart First tour, and it was one of my favorite shows of that entire tour. So much so, and this rarely happens because I'm in my 30s now. Thank you. Yes, hot. We love it. This rarely happens now, but that show was so fun that we went out afterwards. This next song is new and it's for my future trippers. So, here I go. The future, tripping. You go down, I'm going down too. That's right. 39 lives ago, quickly. I rode off into the sunset. The red dust hadn't been kicked up yet. Tell me, when did I start again? On the radio, you couldn't say it to my face. You would have searched the whole world over. Yeah, sure, okay. Singing it loud on the radio, like you're the only heart that breaks. You would have searched the whole world over. Yeah, sure, okay. But we did it and it is what it is, okay. Deep dive in the details. I can hide, I can cry till I throw up. Take a stroke and roll on the emails. But it's as simple as we broke up. Take a stroke and roll on emails. But it's as simple as we broke up. Simple as we broke up. Just a conversation, baby, what the fuck? I'm screaming goodbye out like it means I love you. Internal warfare is what I always do. I'm better on my own. I'm better on my own way. Don't go. Independence through injury. My September makes me stubborn, but it's fine with my own way. At the end of the day, I'm a girl. I'm afraid. Turn around, hit the brake. And I would love it so much if she would come up here and play this next song with me. She's gonna kill me. She hates this. She's probably asleep. It is midnight. Up here so you can see everybody. We have a song to sing for you. Right? Are you? Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Your turn. Happy birthday to you. I love you so much. I think I've sacrificed my own happiness a lot of my life, whether it be with family or relationships or whatever, friendships, opportunities. Because I want peace more than I want my own happiness, but I don't actually want that. And everyone told me that there was this thing that happens, especially for women, when you turn 30, where you kind of start to shed that skin of looking for all this approval outside of yourself, you know? And this shift happens where you can start to find it in your own bones, in your own soul, in your own guts. And it's true. If you wanna chase, I ain't gonna beg for your love. I wanna go the distance, baby. I can't do it if I betray. All the way before you got I ain't gonna beg for your love. I bought the house with the fence and enough room for some kids. A backyard for kids, and I would make it all better.
Guys, the show is over and I've officially made it back to the car, and you best believe the first thing I'm doing is taking these boots off for the hour and 15-minute, 20-minute drive home. So let's do that. Best part of the evening, always. Okay, now for some water and a long drive. And I also brought a sweatshirt for the drive, so let's go. It was an incredible show. I bought this Cowboys Cry 2 hat. It was $40, which is more than I ever spend on a hat, but you know, it is, I normally get like a t-shirt or something, but I got a t-shirt last time I went to her concert, so I felt like a hat. I'm a big hat girl, so I felt like this would get its use in. You can see my bag that I brought to change out of my work clothes. But honestly, I'm a little hot for the sweatshirt, but I have it prepped for the drive. It is currently at 10:46. I paid $22 for this parking lot. I'll link it down below. It's only like a 5-minute walk from the venue, and it's a little bit cheaper than some of the other parking lots that are closer. So I'll link that down below. I'm also doing a short form video on YouTube Shorts about like how much I spent for and at the concert, so look out for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the concert footage and what I could get. It was all on my phone. Like I said, I had to walk back to put my camera back in the car. But anyways, I'm gonna start the drive. I'm not gonna get home until about midnight, a little bit later, and I have an early morning, so let's go. It is, I don't know if I mentioned, it is a Tuesday, so it is definitely a work night, but you know, sometimes we just have to live a little, send it, do the dang thing, and we did. So I'm really glad that we made it. I've had the ticket since like artist pre-sale back in like November, so I'm glad we made an appearance and we did the thing, and now it's time to drive home. Let's go. Actually, real quick, I'm looking at her Kelsea Spotify because I'm obviously, do you guys do this too? Let me know in the comments below. Like if you're on your way to a concert, do you play that artist like the whole time? Even if you know all their songs, like you still just listen to it. It gets you like hyped up in the mood, you know? So I am going through, I haven't looked at her playlist for this concert because honestly I know almost every single one of her songs, so it doesn't really matter. But if I had like my dream list of songs, like throwback songs and new songs, if I had to choose the top 5, I would say I'm obsessed with Beg for Your Love, but I'm assuming that she's gonna play it, fingers crossed, since it is like the Baggage album. Half of My Hometown, Homecoming Queen. I don't think she'll play either of those, but A Girl Can Dream. Peter Pan for like the throwback. Miss Me More, love it so much. I don't think she's gonna do a lot of throwbacks because she has a lot of new stuff, but I'm obsessed with the entire Rolling Up the Welcome Mat album. I love the entire Baggage album. The deluxe album just came out recently. I love Future Tripping, Cut Me Up. To the Men Who Love Women After Heartbreak, Chef's Kiss, a perfection of a song. And then yeah, honestly love it all. Interlude, I did get to see a lot of the Rolling Up the Welcome Mat songs performed at the last concert, so I feel very lucky about that. I also love concert photography, and I'll insert some of the photos that I took of her at the last concert here because it was just a blast photographing her. She's so gorgeous. Her outfits are so fun. She has so much stage presence, and it's just, I really love her. But anyways, I'm gonna put this on. I'm going to get a move on.